Hi, welcome to Apron. We are the home for all of your financial operations. Today, I wanted to show you how we can help you simplify your bookkeeping process. Our capture tool is perfect for helping make sure that no one needs to do data entry to keep your accounts up to date. There are a number of simple, quick ways to get your receipts and invoices into our data capture system where we extract all the important key bits of information, like the VAT or tax, the receipt or invoice date, the name of the supplier, and of course, the total amount spent. This means no more missing receipts or invoices and no more data entry into your accounting software. You instead have a simple place to review all your documents to ensure that your bookkeeping is up to date. We integrate with Xero and QuickBooks Online, but you can also use Apron without any accounting software. Let's take a look at how all of this works today. You can sign up for an account straight on the website using Get Started. Alternatively, your accountant would have sent you an email to help you get onto your Apron account. If you've received the email from your accountant or bookkeeper, this is what the email will look like. It gives you a simple blurb where you can then quickly just hit Get Started. You'll need to key in your information here and then click Sign Up. If you follow the on-screen prompts and follow the questions, you'll then land in your Apron account. I'm just going to quickly skip through this. Once you've completed all the on-screen prompts, you'll be shown this blurb about everything that Apron can do. To find out more about each of these different areas, please jump onto our YouTube channel and watch the appropriate videos. For today, let's complete the sign up and go to bookkeeping. The very first step, if your accountant or bookkeeper hasn't done it for you, is connect it with your accounting software. If we click Get Started, you'll be prompted to either connect with Xero or QuickBooks. If you'd like I mentioned, you can use Apron without an accounting software. This means that we'll set up a chart of accounts for you, and at any point you can extract all the information to a CSV file. If you'd like to find out how to do this, just jump on our YouTube channel or the support article in our help desk. For today though, I'm going to jump through and connect my account with Xero. Now, whilst it's syncing and pulling everything across, it means that it's allowing me to bring my list of suppliers, any nominal codes, and tracking codes that I might use. If I now click Go to Bills and go to Bookkeeping, my account's ready and set up. To start getting your receipts and invoices into Apron, you can either upload the document if you've already got it stored on your computer. You can forward it straight through to this email address here. If it's too long, just like I've got mine, you can go to the settings, go to members, and go ahead and click the three dots here to change your email in address so it's nice and easy to remember. Alternatively, you've got the settings and your direct emails. You can also change this email address here. And this is the one that we would recommend that you give to your suppliers so that you don't ever need to forward the invoices that they send you. Instead, they send it straight through and you'll see it here inside your bookkeeping area. Now, there are other tools like our simple to use mobile app, as well as our WhatsApp tool to get all the same information straight to your bookkeeping area here. If you'd like to find out how those work, please again, jump onto our support or YouTube channel. For today, I'm just going to go ahead and upload a document that I've got. Simple as that. Now that it's uploaded, the Apron system is going through and extracting all those key bits of information. As you can see, there's a simple view where we will show you things like supplier, the status of the item, who sent it in, issue date, the category or nominal code, the tax, and the total amount. It takes between 10 to 20 seconds for our system to go ahead and extract all those key bits of information, as you can see it here. If you'd like to see different bits of information in this simple view, you can just go to columns and enable the bits of information that you want and disable the ones that you don't. For example, I can disable issue date and instead maybe enable tracking codes. and I can click and drag and bring that up where I'd like it and hit apply. From here, I can go ahead and enable the tracking codes. To delve deeper into this invoice, if I hover over it, you'll see it starts to highlight and I can click anywhere at all. By clicking, I then see the image of the item that I've uploaded on the left and the extracted information on the right-hand side. We've got the document type, the name of the supplier. When you see these three dots, we reference our AI tool. And what it's done here, it's gone into Xero, checked the supplier, and seen which nominal code has been used against this and suggested this. If I click on this because I want to change it, I can see there are two other suggestions. Alternatively, I can scroll through or even use the search bar to choose a different nominal code directly pulled across from my Xero file. I also have tracking codes, the ability to rebill to a customer, the reference, issue date, due date, and description. And again, we've encountered our AI tool. It's gone ahead and extracted a short, medium, or long length suggestion for what the description should be, so you don't need to type anything out. The other key bits of information, the total amount, and of course the tax or VAT. And in this case, if I scroll down, you'll see on the left-hand side, a $0 value. If I need extra information from this invoice, because there are multiple lines, I can always go to line items and click create line items. This shifts the invoice to the top where I can scroll and see it. And all I need to do is click capture line items. Once I confirm that I want to capture them, all the details are very quickly extracted out for me, allowing me to add a nominal code for each separate line. I can also scroll down and see that there's an automatic balancing calculator to make sure that as the lines add up and total, they actually match what was extracted from the actual original document. I'm going to quickly add some nominal codes here. And click done. Once I'm happy and ready to send this item across, I can click publish, and that will send it straight into Xero for me. It creates the item as a bill and attaches the image into that entry as well. If you'd like to make sure that it's more automated next time, you have the ability to set some supplier rules. By setting supplier rules, it means anytime Apron picks up this particular supplier, we will automatically add the rules here that you've suggested, like nominal code, tracking, any of the different fields here, including line items and if you want that extracted automatically. To really get the most automated, you want to use auto-publish. This means that any time an invoice comes in, we will automatically extract the details, apply all the rules, and then automatically send it straight into your accounting software for you. Meaning no one's had to come in and click publish one by one. So it's really perfect for all of those recurring invoices which always go to the same nominal code. Outside of our supplier rules, we've got quite a number of different tools, like our reimbursement, the ability to query items, our auto split, our auto merge, auto detection, sales invoices, and unreconciled transactions. If you'd like to learn more about any of these tools, please visit our support desk or Apron YouTube channel, which will have breakdowns for each of those different tools. So that I can show you the end-to-end, let's click publish and send this straight into my Xero file. So it's been published, meaning it's moved now into the published area. Let's jump into my Xero account and see what that looks like. So inside my Xero file, I'm going to scroll down, go to bills that I need to pay, and know that it's coming into awaiting payments. And we were looking for the Fresh Olive Company just there. So Here are those individual 4 lines that were extracted out by Apron with all the different nominal codes, the total amounts, and really importantly, we've got the attachment right here for you. You can choose for your items to be published into the different areas of Xero, whether it's the draft, awaiting approval, or awaiting payments. Let's jump into your settings and show you where you can do that. So we're inside the settings. Let's jump down to Advanced Bookkeeping, Purchase Defaults, and this is where you can choose for all items to either change their way and come through as draft, awaiting approval, or awaiting payment. By using Apron Capture, we've made it incredibly easy to forward invoices from any suppliers, to take pictures of receipts or expenses whilst you're on the go. No one's had to do data entry, so the amount of time needed to do your bookkeeping has been reduced significantly. Hopefully, this gives you some time back to get back into your business and do the things that you enjoy. So, what are you waiting for? Get started using Apron Capture today.